personality recognition. It's a project about automatic classification of others' personality traits with respect to their Facebook statuses. The contents that we are going to present in this presentation includes introduction, dataset, approach and architecture, evaluation and results, conclusion. Coming to introduction, why personality recognition? For the natural and social interaction, it is necessary to understand human behavior. In most of the cases, people respond with respect to their underlying personality traits. And gaining this insight of a web user's personality is very valuable for applications that rely on personalization, such as recommender systems, personalized advertising, opinion marketing, reception detection, social network analysis, and so on. And this identification of personality trait of an author includes mapping him to one of the big five personality traits where extraversion or the persons with characteristics such as sociability, talkativeness, high amount of emotional expressiveness, neuroticism, persons with emotional instability, anxiety, moodiness, sadness, agreeableness includes the attributes such as trust, kindness, affection. Consciousness includes the persons with high level of thoughtfulness, goal-directed behaviors, and the openness of the persons with broad range of interests. And the dataset that we work in this project includes 10,000 Facebook statuses of 250 users and 2,400 accounts. The approach. We follow two approaches for personality recognition where the first approach is feature-based approach and the second approach is trigram approach. Coming to the first approach, which is a feature-based approach, which can be visualized as follows with the four main basic steps as feature extraction, feature vector representation, feature vector dimension detection, and classification. So the first step, which is the feature extraction, includes the extraction of style-based features like parts of speech, health-related words, social interaction words, special symbol frequencies, emoticon frequencies, length of statuses, punctuation count, unique words count, etc. Sentiment analysis includes the extraction of positive, negative, and neutral percentage of emotions in each given status with which we are going to identify the basic emotion of author in the respective status. Total number of posts that the author made. Concept extraction, which is the identification of average number of concepts that the author is talking about in his statuses, which is nothing but the identification of noun phrases, since the noun phrases are usually the topics or objects in the sentence. Social network features like network, betweenness, and betweenness, transitivity, etc., which are given in the dataset itself. The next question that comes in the picture is why to extract these features. In the sense, what is the relationship between the personality trait of a person and these features? According to previous statistical approaches, it was identified that there is a proper mapping between these features and the personality trait of a person. Say for example, extroverts tend to use more of dictionary words, second person, third person singular pronouns, past tense verbs in his vocabulary. Neurotic users tend to update their statuses with anger words and are less likely to use social interaction words, and so on. And once we are done with the feature extraction, we are going to represent the given status in the vector form of these features. And the next step that follows is feature vector dimension detection. Why? As the dataset that we are provided with is small, and as Bayesian model works fine for small dataset and also expects limited number of features, we are trying to reduce the number of dimensions of feature vector using correlation coefficient, which includes the removing of similar or redundant features from the feature vector where the similarity is identified by the absolute value of correlation coefficient. The next approach that follows is trigram approach. It is based on generating two features for each status, say F1 and F2, where F1 represents normalized frequency of trigrams with respect to current personality trait, and F2 represents normalized frequency of trigrams with respect to the remaining classes. And finally, training each and individual classifier using SVM support vector machine for feature vector, say F1 and F2. Evaluation done by dividing the given dataset in the ratio of 70% as a training set and 30% as a testing set. with the classifiers as SPM for trigram approach and Bayesian for feature-based approach. And the evaluation measures that we use in this system includes precision, which is the proportion of predicted positive cases that were correct. Recall is the proportion of positive cases that were correctly identified. F-score, the harmonic mean of precision and recall. And the results that we obtain are as mentioned, with the conclusion that the style-based features gives better results over trigram approach for personality recognition. Thus, from the results, we can show that there is a proper mapping between the vocabulary that the person used and his personality. Thank you.